This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by TERRA CEIA. Beautiful move-in ready 2-bedroom 2-bath condo with breathtaking views of Gulf Coast. Offers an open floor plan, newer updated solid surface flooring throughout, updated light fixtures and fans, decorative plantation shutters and a split bedroom design ideal for guests or a quiet home office. Master suite has a walk-in closet with custom organization system, ensuite bathroom with accessible features for ease of use and mobility including the shower and dual vanity area. The kitchen with updated appliances, countertop, sink and pantry with room for a small bistro table or bar cabinet. Updated guest bathroom, in-unit washer/dryer. The balcony was professional converted to addition living area while still maintain a sliding door to allow cross breezes in. Estuaries II, located behind the gates of TERRA CEIA Bay Golf and Country Club, is perfectly situated between Sarasota and St. Petersburg and within a 45-minute drive to Tampa International Airport. Residents enjoy the association-owned heated and recently updated member-only pool. Enjoy the boardwalk walking trails and a 500-foot fishing pier. Perched in the natural mangrove shoreline, delight in nature on display with fascinating birdwatching in a unique setting, all part of this true integral Florida estuary and aquatic preserve. 1 car assigned covered parking space under building and a private 3x6 storage area just outside the front door. A must-see today. For more information, review the details below or contact TERRA CEIA at 941-284-7645.